Good morning, I am Tiffany Claire Ballesteros Policarpio of Grade 12 AVM Isaiah, and today I will be answering the questions you have given to us, which serves as our final defense. Number 1. What is your motivation for pursuing this study? I have an objective and undertakings to achieve, which includes finishing this review. My desire is to get an exploration degree alongside its advantages, to confront the test in taking care of the perplexing issues, worry over pragmatic, needing to get scholarly delight of accomplishing some intensive work. Number 2. How does your theoretical framework helps you in your study? Our theory assists us with making expectations about the peculiarities that we're setting out. They can be useful as far as figuring out what factors ought to be noticed, as well as how information ought to be gathered, examined, and deciphered while heading to introducing and defending ends. Number 3. How did you come up with your statement of the problem? We need to realize that are the points of view of the senior secondary school understudies of St. Joseph Academy in various viewpoints which our review needs to focus on. We have distinguished what are the principal thoughts that are effectively accessible for everyone and not excessively disputable, so that they will have the feeling of solace responding to the inquiries we could have create. Number 4. How did you choose your related literature and studies? We focus in on the subjects that our review is connected on. We have assembled in various sites, applications, books, and some other accessible materials. Number 5. What are the criteria in choosing your respondents and local? Students that are responsive in issues of the world explicitly in reason of pandemic. Students that are proficient in regards to each issue they experience. Number 6. What do you think your chosen methodology is appropriate to your study? The central issue about picking a technique is to draw nearer to understanding your proposition. We chose this. It incorporates improving and more careful or precise response that could demonstrate your proposition or even focus new light that you won't know about. Also, since our study's main focus is to determine the relationship and knowledge of safety protocol practices, and correlation is used to measure relationship and also estimate the analytical correlation between two variables with little or no effort control. Next question. Discuss the step-by-step statistical computation of your SOP3. We use the percentage, frequency, and weighted mean to solve or interpret the gathered data from the survey questionnaire. We use the z-test to test if we can accept or reject our hypotheses. Next question. Discuss the result of your study. In the test of the importance between the respondents' information on COVID-19 and their security convention rehearses, since the process worth of t is equal to 14 is not exactly the tabular worth of t is equal to 1786 with 0.505 degree of importance, which signifies that HO is acknowledged. Accordingly, there is no huge connection among information and security convention rehearses. We can, as of now, say that we have the solution for our speculation. Are your recommendations realistic and can be achieved by your potential readers? Defend your answer. Indeed, on the grounds that we can pick recommendations that are not important for our subject, we ensure that each and every individual who will peruse our review will have healthy self-awareness, acknowledgement, and application. We have picked the most suitable advices with the goal that they can apply to themselves precisely. What are the difficulties you came across in doing this research? How did you overcome it? Absence of web association, trouble in tracking down related literary works, addressing numerical conditions, and not coordinating members. We sat tight and calmly with the goal that they will Follow the updates the head gives us. Ratings. Danila, initiative 4 points. She depends on the decision of the team. Cooperation, 5 points. She always passes on time. Tede, initiative 4 points. Agrees with the decision of the team, dependent member. Cooperation, 4 points. Sometimes late, but always complete. Ulip, initiative, 3 points. He is passing his assigned words but sometimes incomplete. Cooperation, 3 points. He is passing his assigned work but sometimes incomplete. He agrees but never give ideas. Diaz, leadership, 5 points. Reminds us of everything we needed to do. Cooperation, 5 points. Always an early bird, specifically in conferences. Initiative, 5 points. Great ideas are always coming and good leadership skills. That's it. Thank you.